Welcome. In front of me is a LENOVO Tab K11 Plus, and today I will show you how you can format your SD card. So, to get started, you will want to open up your settings application, and in here, in the side panel, you're looking for storage. I think I already passed. Okay, I think I know where it is. On these devices, I believe it's going to be here. And the About Tablet storage. No, I can't click on that. Okay. Am I blind? Is the storage somewhere in here? You know what? Let's just search for it. That's going to be probably the easiest way. Is it this? No. Oh, there we go. So General Settings and Storage Manager. There we go. That's what we're looking for. So there we go. General Settings. And in here, once you open it up, scroll down and you'll find SD card label, and this is below your SD card. So from here, you can just select Erase SD card. It gives you a quick message. Formatting will erase all the content on the flash drive. In order to avoid loss of content, please perform this operation after your data has been backed up. So I don't actually have literally anything here. As you can see, there's like nothing. So I'm just gonna do this right now. But in your case, do back up your data so you don't remove something that you actually want to maintain. In any case, once you click on Format, this begins the format, which is pretty quick. It should be right about, there we go, done. And we can click on the button, and that's it. It's now formatted and ready to be used once again. Now I also want to warn you, sometimes depending like where you used your card in, SD card specifically, when you format it, it might change the name of it. So don't be worried about it. The name here doesn't really matter. It's just certain devices name it in certain ways, but literally has no impact. But in any case, with that being said, I hope you found this very helpful. And if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.